Hello friends! Today we are unboxing a very special package. Look at this cute package. I love this color. That's right. It's the first #1 Panda Jam group zine on the subject of animal hybrids. And look at all this cute stuff that it came with. Here we go. Aquatic Panda. Andrea Pearson is a very awesome comic artist based out of Chicago. And they're the ones that put this whole thing together. I saw this on a Reddit. It was like call for submissions. No Pants Revolution. Ha! Like that. I should put that on my laptop. Cute. Look at all this cute stuff that it came with. There you go. Andrea Pearson. There's their card. And so yeah, I saw on Reddit on our zines, which I recommend, a call for submissions for a new group zine on animal hybrids. So I was like, oh my god, I love animal hybrids, so I should submit. And I got in and I got these. It's the first group zine I've ever been a part of. So thank you to Andrea for putting everything together and sending out free copies for the people who appeared in it. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm so excited. First of all, love this cover. I love all of these. They're all extremely cute hybrids. Okay, I'm just going to go look at this one. Okay, the artists. Wonderful, that's me. Cute. I should read it out loud. It's a group of bunnies looking at one of these like bunny with antlers stuffed things, and the text says, "It's bad enough that they cut off and sell our feet for, quote, good luck, but I'm pissed that they mock our cryptid god in order to make a buck." I feel for you. That's not good story when it comes to the hybrid. Oh my god. This is so cute. Snake ability. This ground is holding us back, yo. We gotta adapt. Other snake says, we're on it. These are all different ways that the snake gets around. Maybe the ground ain't so bad. Yeah, I'm cool. I think this one might be my favorite. They're all so cute and good. Oh, the sailboat. Nice. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole thing because you can order it online. And oh my goodness. This is like product designs. Look how amazing these are. Wow. This looks like a full ad. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, I'm just going to flip forward to mine. Where's mine? Okay, so at first I was going to draw something, but then I was like, no, I should use modeling clay. This is what clay is for. So these are black and white photographs that I took of clay sculptures, modeling clay sculptures that I made. And the idea here is like when you're hanging out with your pet and you like hang out for so long and they're sitting on your lap for so long that you become like one melded creature, one like cat human or like dog human or whatever. You're just like in a cuddle puddle and you slowly become one creature. I don't know if that concept came across all the way, but that was my kind of hybrid. And yeah, I might do more of these in the future because I have so many ideas for, you know, all the different times when like you and the pet just kind of like melt into one shape. Anyway, that's my kind of hybrid. So thank you again to Andrea for putting this together. I love it. And if you are interested, it is a mere $5 to order it. So I'll put the address for how to order it below. And thanks again to Andrea. See you guys next time. Bye.